You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, daytime running lamps, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, chrome rear bumper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.